Go. I'm going.
Now, I don't know how I would make something big enough. I've wanted one forever. Professional.
Okay, 1 second. Can I call?
Almost made a mistake within 24 hours of the pond being done. You remember what I told you last video? If you liked it. I told you if you liked last video that I would absolutely swan dive into the new pond. And you guys absolutely obliterated that like button. So I'm here to swan dive. Oh God, this is so scary, dude. I'm scared, I'm not gonna lie, I'm scared. If I push, I'm not gonna
Go.
I'm going. Oh my God. Did you get me hit in the water? I landed so bad. Oh. I have a headache immediately. What is going on, Cuffaro? Welcome back to another video. I do want to mention, I told you guys to comment a couple videos ago whether we should get sand or not sand. We've came to the conclusion, the most liked comment, and what I wanted to do in the first place, not you. You wanted sand.
Compo.
No sand. A lot of people have regretted putting sand, including my great friend Rodrigo, Predatory Fins, who actually sold me this pond. He even said don't put sand. We need to go to the fish store because, as you tell by today's video title and thumbnail, we're getting new fish, and it's one I've wanted for a very long time. Let's go! Speaking of escaping stuff, we are here at the fish store, right there, and out front they have all of this amazing wood. Now, I don't know how I would make something big enough to escape the big pond. It would be very difficult. I definitely have to use screws and customize something myself, that's for sure. But these bigger pieces, like that right there, that's a good piece. And these right here, these are also really, really good pieces. So this could definitely be something we consider, that's for sure. Although, I don't know how expensive this is. And a lot of time these pieces of wood, just one of them could be over $100 itself. So imagine, you know, you'll end up spending thousands of dollars just to make a big enough structure for a 5,500 gallon pond. That's the only thing I know we're gonna run into doing structure. And we'll talk more on this when we do the scaping video, which will probably be next video. It's gonna be very hard to find things that are big enough to actually be seen and useful in a big pond like that. Anyway, like I said, enough talking about structure because that is gonna be probably next video. We are here at the fish store. Let's head in and get what we all have been waiting for. Well, at least I've been waiting for. Hey, buddy. You are adorable. My dad would die for you. So right up here are all the frontosas. We'll obviously take a walk around because I love this store. But we are here for one thing and one thing only. Well, I say that now. Until we go back there where all the fish are, we might find something else. But these right here are frontosas. You can see him poking in the back over there. That right there is what we came for. I cannot wait. I've wanted one forever. The fact that we have an African cichlid pond, to like cherry on top that, you have to get the frontosa. It's like the king of all cichlids, in my opinion. So we're gonna put that in the pond eventually today. But first, before we go netting this out, getting that, let's go see if we can net something out and get that. You know what I'm saying? African cichlids, this is actually where we got a lot of the cichlids that are in the African cichlid pond. Can you see me now? The saltwater stuff's really been itching at me lately. I've been wanting to do saltwater. Our tank's going through quarantine right now. We're almost ready though. And of course we have the smaller ones we've been working with, but I miss saltwater. Holy omega. Look at the size of that Oscar. Longfin. He's a longfin Oscar. Mega. And he's got like a little rough head. There's a little one right there. More Oscars in front here. So many cichlids right here. Look at them all. Look at that. That thing is cool. And then of course, albino arowana. There's only one left. One left. We bought ours from here and it was about smaller than that. And now it's like twice the size of that right there. Crazy how fast they grow, especially when they eat well. We feed our fish very well around the PC farm. That's for sure. Little baby Oscars. Here you go. You guys hungry? What do we got over here? Oh, those are cool. What the heck is that? Black widow frontosa. That is dope. Wow. I like their face. Look at all those mealworms. How much to eat them? 10 bucks. That's it? Look at silver dollars. Those things are so cool. I think we saw these last time and I really do like them. They got like that all dark golden belly. They have a good selection of koi fish here. I'm actually surprised. Is that like a short body koi? A short body koi fish. See him? Oh my God. He's in the back. Right there. Right there. That's crazy. It looks like a cichlid mixed with a koi fish.
He has no back. I know. It looks just like you.
What? This dog is the cutest thing ever. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. You really want my mic. You want my mic so bad, don't you? Here, get a sniff. Oh. Look at his face on camera. Well, Cuffaros, I think it's time. It's time to see which Frontosa we are getting. I don't even know. I've been texting with the owner of the shop and I was like, hey man, I've been wanting a Frontosa, let me know when you get one in. These initially he wasn't going to sell, but he said, I got you, man, I'll get you one eventually. That was weeks ago, and now he had hit me up last night. We were texting at like 2 in the morning, and I was like, dude, I gotta come get one. I'll be there tomorrow. He's like, all right, now we're here. We're here to get the fish. I don't know which one it is. I don't even know if it's in this tank or if I just happen to miss it back there. These ones, I remember him saying that they were like a little extra special because they have like a certain brighter blues or something. Like that's unbelievably beautiful. Look at that fish. But hey, in my eyes, Frontosa's a Frontosa. I want one. It's the cherry on top. Let's get it. There he is. That's a perfect size. Literally perfect for my pond. And it's got blue. It's really lit up. So there's different bars, like 5 bar, 6. What is that one?
That one I think is 5 or 6.
Blue Zaire. That's the blue ones. That's awesome. And they get that dark blue face and the light blue fins and all that. That is awesome. So along with picking up our Frontosa, we learned a little bit about them.
Yeah, that's cool.
I'm actually very excited right now. I have wanted a Frontosa for so long. It's finally happening. I honestly love Vlogmas so much. We are getting a lot done. It's forcing me to get things done day by day. Usually I kind of like, you know, spread it out. We are just on the grind. Professional. Ain't your first rodeo. No. We got him. Once we get home, we'll get a better look at him. But for now, thank you, sir.
No worries.
Appreciate it. We got him. Wow. And I'm on the phone right now. As he was netting that, I was on the phone with the guy that makes custom trees. Dude, think of this.
What?
Custom trees for the fish building. Like, I'm going all out. I'm making this thing insane. You don't even understand. I'm gonna talk a little bit about it when I get home. I have some crazy plans. I stayed up till 2 in the morning last night with Brenton, and we were just spitting ideas of what we could do in this fish building.
Oh my.
Let's go get this Frontosa home and talk a little bit about what I have planned. I'm not gonna give all the ideas, but let's do it. Green tree python. Look at the colors on that thing. That is insane. There's no better selection of baby turtles than this place right here. I tell you what, every time we come in, and I just asked him, how do you always have the best selection? He goes, my best friend owns a turtle farm. Makes sense. What even is that?
Find out. I know he's hungry, so I
Look at the
can't.
shell. That's crazy. It's like razorback.
What is this?
Huh? It's a snake that lives underwater that I would never want as a pet. I can tell you that. That is exactly what it is right there. Interesting. Look at all these turtles, dude. They're literally everywhere. Oh, holy blinded. My goodness. We got it done. That fish was $300, dude.
Congrats on your pond.
Hey, Uncle Ben. We are back in our vehicle, and it's time to go home to put this Frontosa mimosa into the tank.
What? Oh my gosh, I have a gigantor pimple.
All right,
His name.
we'll see you at
Frontosa
home.
Mimosa?
I just had a mini heart attack when I got home. I forgot before we left, I turned the water back on to fill the rest of the pond, and I got really lucky. Let me just put it that way. Holy moly. Almost made a mistake within 24 hours of the pond being done.
Okay, 1 second. Can I call? I have to go really quick.
Bye.
All right, love you, bye. You left the water on while we were gone?
Thank goodness I capped these as well, because it would have just been pouring out. I capped these. Obviously these don't really matter to be leaking because the water isn't supposed to be this high. This is not even glued, this cap, and somehow it's staying on. So I need to drain the water out real quick a little bit. It's supposed to be like 6 inches lower than this. What's up, Mia? Where'd you come from? Oh my goodness, and I got this big old pump. So easy fix. We're flowing. Bam, just like that, the problem is fixed. It is actually really clear. It's hard to tell, but if I put my hand out, you see how clear that is? It has a tint. But this tint works.
It's the
I didn't want it to be clear. I really didn't. Now that I see it like this is perfect. By the way, before I get sucked onto the topic of the 5,500 gallon, our fish has been acclimating this entire time. The Frontosa is in the pond acclimating. We'll get him in just a second. This right here though, Brenton and I were up till like 2 in the morning, like I had mentioned.
Brainstorming.
Brainstorming. This is gonna be the Amazon corner. So this literally works out that the water is this temperature. One, because we're gonna have a deck that you can see from above. And when you look from above, it's very clear. I mean, you can see straight to the bottom, no problem whatsoever. The white fish are gonna stand out a lot more. I like the fact that it has this tint to it. It shows the Amazon vibes. This weekend, I said it, this weekend, Saturday, Sunday, Hector is coming to the house finally, and we are building the deck up top above the pond and a deck floor. This will all be a deck floor from that line right there back this way. A deck floor about 2-3 inches off the ground, all wood. All this. And then I'm gonna have a wood wall covering the AC unit, the deck up top, artificial tree coming out right there, artificial tree over here, branches hanging over. We're moving the mantis tank over to this way and bringing this onto the deck right here. So from this line back that way is gonna be the Amazon corner, and we're literally gonna have an Amazon corner sign hanging. So the fact that the water is this color is exactly what we honestly want for this theme. Every single individual part of this fish building will have a theme. The Amazon corner, we're gonna build like the altitude corner over here, like a stream, all artificial rock, and do something really cool over here. This will be the turtle corner. I'm gonna do a different floor here, maybe like gravel floor, like literally build like a little ledge around that. So the floor could be legit gravel, you're walking on stones. My brain is literally just nuts. And when Brent and I were sitting here last night, we were just going at it. So many notes of what's to come in this fish building. A lot of you Cuffaros have been watching the videos for a while know to just trust the process, and you guys are always pleased with the outcome, and I appreciate you so much for watching, supporting. This is gonna be the biggest thing I've done on this channel yet. Look at that.
It's so clear.
It's clear, it's just,
You just can't tell because there's not anything in it. Like once stuff's in it, you'll be able to see how clear it is. Like I can see the air stone right in the middle right there. You just need stuff in here and then it's gonna come to life. Plants too. Woo!
Like this albino arowana. The Fly River, we could put the Fly River in there. All videos to come. Enough talking about the 5,500 gallon. You guys know the plan now. I'm glad we're on the same page. Let's get the Frontosa into the pond. Frontosa, baby. Frontosa. So excited to introduce this one to the pond. Come here, baby Gil.
Oh, baby Gil.
Holy moly, look at that fish.
Oh, bro, why does it look like it's so dark? It's so sick.
It'll clear up over time for sure. Look at the blue fins. See those blue fins? Goodness, the hump on its head. Beautiful bars. That right there is 100% my new favorite fish in this pond. That is a fact. See you later, buddy. Have fun with all your friends in there. You expensive little son. Oh my gosh, dude, that is so cool. Look at all the fish checking them out. They're all like, what the heck are you? I'm the king of this. Oh my gosh, we finally have it. We finally have it. The 500 gallon see-through pond has a Frontosa in it, along with all the other 37 African cichlids in there. Soon to be babies. I hope at least, soon to be babies. What a day. You know the plans for the Amazon corner. Who's excited for the Amazon corner? Let me know in the comments down below. Artificial trees coming, building this weekend. Videos to come tomorrow about scaping this pond. It's not gonna, subscribe, smash the like button, and I'll see you right back here tomorrow. Don't forget, brand new merch, paulcuffarobrand.com, and you can become a member with the link in the description down below for exclusive content. Love each and every one of you so much. I'll see you in the next one, which is tomorrow. Peace!